Coming up tonight on Up Late Austin, Leila Bela, a multi-instrumentalist noise artist whose unique style perfectly captures the spirit of Halloween. With worldwide recognition and having been featured in Days Magazine's top artists to listen to, this is an act you're sure to enjoy. Coming up next on Up Late Austin.
Awesome. I'm your host, Jake. We have a great show for you tonight. I'm going to let you introduce yourself and tell me a little bit about the style of your music.
I'm Leila Bela, and my style is whatever the hell I want to come up with in the moment. Generally, I don't apologize for anything, and I don't follow any rules.
Now, I noticed there's a drill back here. Should I be concerned about this?
Maybe. As long as you're not like a misogynist or I'm the feminist that goes after men with drills. No, I'm kidding. No, it's part of my noise.
Okay.
It's just part of noise. So.
I'm not too nervous. Do you see a sword back there as well? That plays into your music, or is that for fun? What?
Yeah, that's part of the noise. But I'm also 7 years trained as a sword fighter. Nice. Combat. During the Shakespeare days, I met the right people, so I started taking workshops around the world with them for ancient combat and stuff. And so this is just a silly little sword. It's not anything like some of the stuff I have, and we're just going to use it for noise.
Konnichiwa. Okay.